Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find Coinomi wallet address. Now before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Coinomi wallet on your phone. Once you have opened it up, this is how interface gonna pop up. Now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this menu icon given on top left corner, and from over here you're gonna simply select a particular currency of which you would like to see the address. If I go for the crypto worldwide, I will see the Bitcoin and they will find this address right over here. I'm gonna simply be able to simply copy this address and paste it to the any user or my friend who wants to send me the address, or to my external wallet for me to transfer some Bitcoin over here. And again, I'm going to go to plus and simply add coins right over here, and we're going to add any that we want. Once you added that on our home section, we will be able to go back and again simply tap on it to check out the address, and it also can access the QR code for the easy. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.